We are at our latest Fine and Country property, which is located just close to the village of South Petherwin. So the property is accessed through this shared driveway, and the property that we're about to see is just on our left here. So it was converted a good few years ago. There's parking just here for around 3 to 4 vehicles, and I'll just show you inside. So luxurious throughout, with plenty of space. So in the entrance hall, it's actually an upside down house. So I'll show you to the bedrooms first. Firstly is the bathroom. So you've got a really nice bath with separate shower. Here is the smallest of the bedrooms, still a very, very good size. And this has actually got a little door leading out. So leading through, I'd say this is the third bedroom. Again, very, very good size. And it also has an ensuite. So you've got a shower just there. So the property is located in a nice little close of 3 to 4 properties. So this is a very luxurious master bedroom here. Plenty of room. So firstly, you have wardrobes here, which have lighting as well. Got a nice dressing room, which is a great size. Could always put rails in there. Plenty of room in here. Into the ensuite. So separate bath, 2 sinks here, his and hers, and a double shower. So exceptional quality throughout. You can obviously see all of the doors, flooring. So back to the hall, and I'll show you upstairs. So you've got a fantastic sized open plan lounge diner. So lovely beams. Got a wood burner just here, and underfloor heating throughout the house, upstairs and down. Let's just show you a bit of the view. Which is very nice. So leading through, got a useful utility here, washing machine and so on. Kitchen I will show you shortly. So you've got a useful toilet just here, WC, and a bit of storage to the side there. Now this is currently being used as 4th bedroom. You may want to use it as perhaps a snug study. Lots of opportunity. Fantastic, fantastic side, and look at them beams again. So leading back through, the village of South Petherwin is around about 3 to 4 miles from the town of Launceston. So kitchen has many fitted appliances. So you've got an oven with gas hob, fitted microwave, dishwasher, lovely island just here, and a wine fridge. And finally, I'll show you outside. nice bit of grass and a lovely patio area. A little bit area there for hanging out washing. Canopy just there, bit of side access, and the oil tank just nicely tucked away. And finally is the lawn. If you're interested in this property, do feel free to get in contact with Webbers.